This is the POWERTEC Heavy Duty Router Table Stand. In this next project, we're going to show you how to turn this stand into a workstation. And by workstation, I mean a place where you can install all of your routing accessories down here. The idea is to have a dedicated space for all of your routing accessories. Some of the more commonly used items have quick access by being mounted on the side of the station. And of course, a safe space for all of your router bits. Everything you need to complete the station is available on our blog. There you'll find step-by-step instructions and measurements for all the MDF pieces used. We start by building the sidewalls. We recommend adding the drawer slides to the walls before mounting the walls on the router stand. Attaching the workstation walls is very easy, as the router stand has pre-drilled slots all over the frame. With the walls in place, the next step is building the upper and lower drawers. If you look closely, you can see that we've pre-drilled and countersanked. Working with MDF board, pre-drilling is important as it prevents splitting. The top drawer is essentially 3 ledges on which you can store your router bits. The center part is taken up by the router's dust collection box. Finish the drawers by adding the drawer slides. Now this is something neat. To attach the drawer fronts, we highly recommend using drawer front installation clamps. The clamps hold drawer fronts firmly in place, allowing you to line up the drawer fronts and make quick adjustments before you screw them in. Side screws allow precision side-to-side adjustments. Finally, last but not least, add your paddle switch. It's very important that the switch faces forward and that it's at a comfortable height for you. By that, we mean a situation where your hands might be occupied and you're using your knee to hit the switch. Always, safety first. With the drawers in place, we can reattach the dust collection system. As you can see, the upper drawer is hollow and leaves enough room for the dust box, while the lower drawer is unaffected. And there you have it, a router workstation built on the POWERTEC Heavy Duty Router Table Stand. Storage, dust collection, and emergency shutoff all in place. See our blog for plans and step-by-step instructions. Work safe, folks.